I thought I'd share a bit of nostalgia with you today. Well, I'm going for a bit of a walk, as I've been advised to do since the treadmill decided to pack it in when I did try it. Checking out this area next to the river where I fly the drone quite often, and you've seen quite a few times. Quite pretty. Was just thinking about over the last couple of decades, I've had some interesting cars. Which I ended up selling because basically I was tired of paying registrations and everything else. And I kept the 1956 Ford F100 that I had. I had it imported from America, and then I brought it up to Queensland. That's what I wanted to keep as my toy. I was going to leave it as a bit of a rat rod. Anyway, I did end up selling that, but I thought I'd throw together a few old clips just showing you a little bit about that. And just so you know too, the lights and everything works. There's the ignition lights there, blinkers. Oh, there we go, blinkers. Pretty lights. I'll turn the ignition off for that. Yeah, pretty gauges, very pretty aftermarket gauge. And I'll just come around the front here. We got some lights going there. Sexy looking beast. And we've got some lights going back here too. There we go. All there. Ouch. All there. All steel. No fiberglass shit in this one. Okay. Right mate, now it's Thursday the 5th of August or something. Down here on the, that's where the fuel should be coming out of the line, but it's not for some reason. That's the fuel line, that's the new pump I put on. But as you can see, if you pull back here, it will start with a little bit of petrol down the carby. That should start it, no worries. Keep filling, pull back. Just tip the key. So that's all the problem is. Got me a bit beat why it's not coming out of the pipe anymore down there, because it was. And I've just blown a bit of air back into it as well, so I don't know. That's where we're at the moment, mate. Thanks. Chief mechanic all the way from New Zealand. There she goes. 8th of August 2015. Needs the carby kit real bad put in it. There she goes. Anyway, she stops, nobody yet knows. Yep. And there she goes. Anyway, join me for my next video, which I plan to be a suggestion from Craig, thanks Craig, on something I've been doing a bit of lately, and that's looking around for a car. I thought I'd throw together some tips of how to buy a used car, normal cars. Anyway, cheers for now, and thanks for joining me on my little walk. See ya. Anyway, back to the walk. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to click that button and hit the little bell so you can get all the notifications of my new videos.